Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Today I'm going to show you how to change and fix that RDP remote desktop problem. There are other fixes out there that do registry and group policy. However, there's a much simpler way. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's a simple process. Go to remote settings. Instead of having allow connections only from computers running remote desktop, a level more secure, go from that to that, and your problem goes away. All right. Now here's that server. Connect. Less secure. Okay. We're going to change it to more secure. And we're going to RDP again. Watch what happens. There's the error. So that is the fix for this error message. And it's simple, easy. You don't have to go into registry or group policy to fix. So now the only way I can connect to this, to that server and fix it, is that I'm logged into another remote server. And we're going to connect, because this is actually more secure, this server. So now I can go back in here. So I'm RDPing twice. And that's it. Close out of this. Back on the other server. So I'm remoted into it, but I want to go direct. So this is how I do it. Boom, I'm in. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.